Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. In today's video, we're going to be going over my Coinmine. This is going to be my 1-year review with the Coinmine and what it's mined me, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to give my review, how much Bitcoin I've mined, and also there's a hidden feature that's in the Coinmine that I don't see anywhere online, so I thought I'd share that with you guys too if you're into the Coinmine. So let's get into it.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
So back in July of 2019, I bought a Coinmine, and I did just say it was just gonna be my 1-year review, so it's been a little longer than a year. It's been, well, I bought it in July, I got it in August, September, October, November. So going on a year and 4 months. So I'm gonna show you guys my results of the Bitcoin and the stuff that I mined. And like I said, I'm gonna show you a hidden feature. We're gonna go into my phone and I'm gonna show you how much I've made. Alright, so let's go into my Cryptoverse folder and hit the Coinmine. And as you can see right now, let's refresh it. It should be refreshed. I have only 701 sats of Ethereum. That's all I have in here right now. I'm mining Ethereum right now as we speak. If we click into the funds, you can see I don't have funds in anything else. If you watch my other videos, you can see that I did have funds in Monero and Handshake. We're gonna get into that a little later. But if we go into, let's go into Ethereum, since that's what I do have right now. We're gonna go to balance history. So I started mining Ethereum a little bit in November 2019. I've only had one miner. For a while I did have a cloud miner that Coinmine was providing, and that was actually helping me mine more Bitcoin and more other stuff at the same time. I didn't start leaving my Coinmine onto Ethereum until, I believe it's right here, I believe it was in March. As you can see, the interest continued to go up as I kept mining more Ethereum. And in October 12th, I decided to take out 0.20 Ethereum. I withdrew it into my Coinbase account, and I'm still collecting Ethereum, still mining Ethereum. So real quick before we get further into the video, the reason I withdrew this Ethereum was because they do have a minimum withdrawal, and that's a 0.2 Ethereum. You need 0.2 Ethereum to withdraw your Ethereum. If you've been following Coinmine at all, you'll notice that Coinmine has been low-key. Their Twitter page is not active. I don't believe their website has updated at all. And even, I'm not sure if he was the creator, the Farbood, I probably pronounced his name wrong. He is not very active on social media or Twitter, so that's kind of alarming to me. I want to withdraw funds before they get locked in there or lost forever, and I just mined for no reason. So that's the reason I'm mining. I withdrew some of the Ethereum. So once this Ethereum turns into 0.4 again, I'm gonna withdraw the 0.2 just to leave it at 0.2. I always want to leave a 0.2 available there so I can withdraw it at any time. Pardon the interruption. I was trying to finish this video and my camera died. So right now I'm using my webcam from my MacBook. So let's finish this video with the MacBook camera. Alright, so let's check out my Bitcoin. So we're going to go to Bitcoin and we're going to go to balance history. So at the very bottom on October 24th, 2019, I did my very first withdrawal of Bitcoin. It was at 0.01. So 116 sats. On November 7th, it says amount awarded. That was from the cloud miner. That was, I think, when my my miner started messing up. On January 1st, they started paying interest on my balance. On January 17th, there was more was being awarded from the cloud miner, I believe. You can see that I kept getting interest. Then I withdrew the money again once I reached wait, that's the million mark. So yeah, so my first withdrawal was 1,000,000 sats, My second withdrawal was 1,000,000 sats. So let me tell you exactly how much I made with my Coinmine. I'm gonna sum it all up together and then I'm gonna show it to you guys right here. It's gonna be right here with the notes. And yeah, so right here, these are gonna be my results as of November 17th, 2020 at 9:32 p.m. Los Angeles time at current market value. So far I had mined 0.02162841 Bitcoins, and that's equal to $395.06. For Ethereum, I mined 0.4605186 Ethereum, which is equal to $218.09. Add it all together, you got $613.15. I was going to mention the hidden feature. The hidden feature that's on the Coinmine that you can do is you can convert your coins. You can convert your Monero, your Zcash, your Grin, your Handshake. I'm not sure if you can convert from Ethereum to Bitcoin, but the other 4 coins you can convert into Ethereum or you can convert it into Bitcoin. So I had Handshake. I had 10 Handshake. The 10 right there, 10.05. I had them convert that into Ethereum. And then up here on Monero, doesn't even let me see it, but I did have a very bit of Monero. And let me see if it shows over here as awarded. Yeah, right here. On November 9th and November 10th were the 2 withdrawals that I did from my Monero and my, was it the Handshake? We're going to go over here to the chat so I can show you of me talking to customer service. So the customer service is still there. So at least I know that if you have a question, they'll answer it, and they're pretty prompt to answer any questions. So let's go into the conversation right here. November 9th. November 6th. This was on Friday, so it took them over the weekend to reply. What Handshake? I meant to say, what's up with Handshake withdrawals? When can we see that? We currently convert HNS to BTC or ETH, but we are unable to withdraw to an HNS wallet. I have a bit of HNS, so if I wanted to convert to ETH, how can I do that? Please provide a screenshot of your Coinmine HNS wallet and the amount you want to transfer, and I can take care of that for you. I sent them a screenshot. Transfer is complete. How cool. Thank you so much. The next day I was like, hey, I forgot to do Monero, so let's do Monero. Good morning, Carly. I had another question. So I know I was able to convert HNS to ETH, but am I also able to convert other coins into ETH? For example, I have some XMR. Can I convert that into ETH too? Yes, you can do that. Yes, I can do that for you. That's awesome. Let me send the screenshot. Send her the screenshot. Your transfer is complete. And that was it. So it's pretty cool. If you get stuck with a certain coin that you want to withdraw, you can just convert it into Ethereum or Bitcoin and then, transfer it over to your wallet. All right, so my final conclusion with this Coinmine thing is if you're trying to get one, I will be very cautious about getting one right now. We don't know if they're going to go out of business or whatever's going on. I'm thinking COVID probably slowed them down or something like that, or whatever the case may be. But if they're not responding on Twitter, then how are you going to get a hold of them? I don't like that. I think they should be active. Even the owner, somebody has to be active on that. So I also saw on Twitter of other people trying to buy Coinmine and they couldn't get their Coinmine because they were not fulfilling the orders. I'm not sure how true that is, but if somebody said it, it might be true. So personally, I would stay away from Coinmine right now. I don't think it's a good idea to try to buy one. And to be honest, it probably was never really a good idea to buy one. I just kind of fell into the hype. I like the idea of having a miner. It's probably not the best miner. It isn't the best miner. That's not meant to mine Bitcoin. They don't even mine Bitcoin. That Bitcoin that you get is through some other method of mining that they do. I think one time I spoke to the customer service chick and she's told me that the Coinmine mines altcoins, then converts the altcoins into Bitcoin. So Yeah, I should have known it was possible to do the converting, I guess, because they could do it anyways. Alright, so one more thing before I end this video. We got to check the price of Bitcoin. This is something I'm going to do every time we do a video on cryptocurrency, regardless of what it is. Bitcoin. We got to check out Bitcoin, especially right now. I don't know if you guys been following the market, but it's been pretty crazy. Let's check it out. So going to Coinbase, and I'm going to stop using Coinbase. That's another video. But look at this beautiful, beautiful thing going on right now. We're approaching all-time highs. I know I'm gonna put the screen recording on, but I'm so excited. It's $18,404 right now. Let's go to Coinbase Pro. You can see it like move active. Load it. Right there. By the minute. Oh, it's dumping a little bit. But it's so exciting. 10% in past 24 hours. Buy some Bitcoin. But yeah, with that being said, until next time, let's get this money. Peace. Let's check it out, guys. There goes the coin mine, and it's mining my Ethereum. It's still working.